Alright YouTube, welcome back. So if you see this in your engine description on your vehicle,
Don't buy it.
no, you need to do extra maintenance.
Don't
So
buy it.
Dylan is starting on the starter here. Come on, what are you doing? Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera on there.
Guys, he won't let me work.
So this vehicle has 44,000 miles on it, and we're going to show you what the intake valves look like on this camera. Is the light on?
Yes, the light's on.
Is it?
It was on earlier.
There we go. Now it's nice and bright. And I already sprayed this with GDI to loosen up the crap. 44,000 miles. That was cylinder 4. Oh, that's cylinder 3. It's 2 valves per cylinder. 2. And then 1.
Can't see a big ass horn.
Sorry. So that's cylinder 1. It has 2 valves per cylinder. Now we're going to go into cylinder 2 again. Not horrible, right? But what happens is this has already been neglected for 40,000 miles.
Not neglected, just not noticed.
No, the dealer wasn't recommending it. This car's just out of warranty. So I gave him a little baby bath to let him soak while he's doing the starter. But now think about this. The car is out of warranty. Carbon buildup on the intake valves. We're doing a video. And then this customer doesn't know anything. Now you're going 60, 70, 80,000 miles, 90,000 miles. The valves are completely clogged. It's burning oil. It's misfiring. It's got all these engine issues because it wasn't maintained properly. So 40,000 miles is a mess. If it was done at 10, 20, 30, 40,000 miles, we would never see all that carbon buildup. Never, guarantee it. You need to come to the right place for the right advice.
Dylan.
Well, or me.
Dylan.
The right place, the right
Not
price,
that guy.
the right advice on how to maintain your car, because you're not getting that in the dealership. They should say that to you every time that you buy a new car, that you have a GDI engine and it requires maintenance that's not covered.